As I was looking at the video, I noted that some of the people in the background, the audience, were the younger versions of politicians who are either still serving now or who served in the past. And yet, the pain that I have is this, that they heard her call them out that long ago, and pretty much nothing has changed. uh, the corruption is still there. In fact, our current president called it out. Mahiya-hiya naman kayo. And like we've had this trillion peso protest march. People everywhere know, including a broader international audience. And the group that she cited, Transparency International, does update that list frequently. So uh, it, it's so just so sad that up to now we're still we're still one of the most corrupt countries out there. So it's discouraging, but at the same time a very clear call to action for any civic-minded Filipino to not take this sitting down, because if the people we count on to change things are unwilling to, we have to help make change possible. 2028, guys, make it count.